Hi guys, my name is Tara. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a spaghetti bolognese, and this is Italian food. Let's start making it. Over here we have onion, garlic, oregano, Marcela vinegar, and quarter pound of ground beef, salt and pepper, Parmesan, marinara, and spaghetti. Let's start making it. Okay, now we're gonna chop onion. Some people, they don't put in bolognese onion, but I like to cook my meat, the ground beef, with onion because it will give very good flavor to meat. Okay, we will go to my pan. Okay, over here my spaghetti is boiling. I show you on the last video that how you boil the spaghetti. First I put 2 cups of water, a teaspoon of salt, and a spoon of vegetable oil, and I let it to boil. 3 spoon, 4 spoon of vegetable oil, my onion. So until this onion is cooked, I will take my pasta and drain the water. After I drain it, I just put like cup of cold water always on top of my pasta, so to cool down a little bit until I start cooking it. This is my kitchen and restaurant. Whenever I get a little bit chance, I like to start making delicious food for you guys, to show you how to make Italian food, Persian food. Okay, this is the onion for bolognese. So when the onion is like half cooked, you put a little bit salt on top of the onion. That makes your onion to be really soft and cook with meat. You don't see the onion that much inside the meat. Okay, this is a goldish color. Now I put my ground beef. It smells so good with onion. Okay, right now I have a teaspoon of minced garlic. I add this. I add a little bit of salt, pepper, saute it. And now I put Marcela vinegar, like 2 spoons. 2 full tablespoons. And a cup of marinara sauce. A little bit of oregano. It's beautiful color and it smells really good. Guys, you can make this at home. It's really easy. Easy and tastes really good, homemade. If you come to my restaurant and eat, I make same thing. Everything is freshly cooked in my restaurant. I don't have anything cooked and ready in the fridge, in the cooler, in the freezer, no. Everything is freshly cooked. Okay? This is ready to mix the pasta. Like I told you guys in the last video, I like to mix my pasta with the sauce. That's why I cook it a little bit with my sauce. Okay, this is ready. Okay, guys. Chopped parsley again. You can chop some basil if you like, and some Parmesan. Okay guys, now I'm gonna taste it. You guys have to taste it. Cook it and taste it. Or you can come to my restaurant. I will cook same thing for you guys. Zanos Dustan Restaurant in Woodland Hills. Thank you so much, you guys watching my video. I hope everyone like it and make it at home. If you guys have any question, please leave comment. If you like my video, hit the like button. Thank you very much and have a nice one. See you next time. Bye.